here's a few pieces of lower grade Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Material's been wetted, the rule's in millimetres, and like I say, it's lower grade material, but it's a good place to get started. Maybe with that piece just cut it into a shape and use the bar of colour there in the matrix as the centre of the parent material. This is nothing much. Maybe slice that off through there. There's another bit of matrix sort of material over here, but you could slice that through here and get an interesting little pattern stone. Piece of Koroite material with a faint kernel of colour in the centre there. It's probably not showing up very well. This piece unfortunately is a little bit softer material. Another piece of Koroite type material. Nice and hard, so it should polish up okay for the pattern rather than the opal. And this is just basically a bit of opal over here, a bit of matrix down in here in this corner. Don't know if it's showing up there. Light, the opal's picking the light up there. Oh, there's a bit of the colour. Maybe cut it like that. Long stone, a little bit of colour at each end. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.